We'll guide you through how to create an ad using Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, go to the dashboard of the site you want to promote. On the left-hand side, click on the Marketing and SEO option. From there, you'll see an option that says Facebook and Instagram ads or Google ads, depending on which platform you're targeting. Click on the one you want to use. Let's say you're going with Facebook and Instagram ads. Click on Create Ad. Wix will guide you through a step-by-step process to set up your ad. You'll need to choose the goal of your ad first, whether it's to get more traffic to your website, promote a product, or increase brand awareness. After selecting your goal, you can design your ad. Wix provides templates to make this easier. You can upload images, write your ad copy, and even preview how your ad will look once it's live. Next, you'll set your target audience. You can define your audience by location, age, gender, and interests to make sure your ad reaches the right people. You'll then set your budget and schedule. Decide how much you're willing to spend and how long you want your ad to run. Once everything is set up, review your ad, and if everything looks good, click on Launch Ad. Wix will then submit your ad for review, and once approved, it will go live. Don't forget to check back on the ad's performance through the Wix dashboard to see how well it's doing and make adjustments if necessary. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.